Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use QuickTrade on IBKR desktop in just a couple of minutes. First, click on a stock or asset from your portfolio or watch list. You'll find these on the left side or center panel of your screen. Once you click an asset, the price panel on the right will update to show data for that stock. That's how you know it's selected. Now locate the order entry panel on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel shows price information and order controls for the asset you just selected. It updates automatically whenever you click a different stock. Next, activate Quick Trade mode by clicking the lightning bolt icon. You'll find this icon on the right-hand side of the order ticket within the order entry panel. Once you click it, you'll see Quick Trade buttons appear, things like buy 100 at market or sell 100 at market. To execute a trade, just click one of those Quick Trade buttons. Depending on your region, the order will either submit instantly with one click, or you might see a confirmation dialog. If you're in Europe or the UK, you'll see a cost impact prompt due to local regulations, so it won't be completely instant, but it's still faster than filling out a full order ticket. A couple of things worth knowing. First, you can customize those Quick Trade buttons to match how you actually trade. Look for a configure option in the order entry panel. You should see buttons to add new presets or reorder existing ones. The useful bit here is that the buttons adapt based on asset type, so you can set different defaults for stocks versus options or futures. Second, the at market part you see on the buttons means your order executes at whatever the current market price is. If you want more control, you can configure buttons for limit orders or other order types instead of just market orders. Finally, once you place an order, you'll see it appear in your orders panel at the bottom of the screen. Filled orders move to your portfolio automatically so you can verify execution there. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful.